5 Best Clothes Dryer. Here is the product number 5. 220 volts 900 watts 2 layers electric cloth dryer. Features: 900 watts high power mainframe, fast drying. 360 degrees high temperature protective clothing. Simple and clear operation knob. Easy to install. Application: family. Material: iron pipe plus tarpaulin cover. Color: blue. Timing range: 15 to 180 minutes. Here is the product number 4. DMWD Portable Electric Clothes Dryer. Product name: Clothes Dryer. Rated voltage: 220 volts. Rated frequency: 50 Hz. Rated power: 500 watts. Heating temperature: 75 C. Product weight: about 0.7 kilograms. Heating method: PTC. Housing material: plastic. Controlling mode: digital timer control. Here is the product number 3. Portable Electric Clothes Dryer Mini. Feature 360 degrees counter-flow hot air heating to dry the clothes. Static drying: avoid clothing from rubbing, pleating and damaged. Eliminate secondary pollution. Clothing is kept from the outside world, dust, insect and bacteria. Rotate the power button to set time from 30 minutes to 180 minutes. Double use: it can be a clothing dryer and also can be used as a wardrobe. Here is the product number 2. 220 volts electric cloth dryer household portable. 960 degrees counter-flow hot air heating to dry the clothes. Static drying: avoid clothing from rubbing, pleating and damaged. Using PTC heating element, automatic constant temperature, over temperature and dry burning protection, safe to use. Double use: it can be a clothing dryer and also can be used as a wardrobe to store your clothing when not in use. Here is the product number 1. Portable Hangers Clothes Electric Laundry Dryer. This product is convenient, energy-saving. The use of clothes to form hood, so that hot air flow in the clothes inside the collection, circulation, to achieve the purpose of fast drying. Products can be dry care, anti-mildew moisture, mite sterilization, eliminate odor. Hot air, cold dual mode switch. After the power is turned on, the machine enters the standby state.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like, comment and share.